Ever wondered how your body knows when to fight off an invader? It all starts with antigens. Let's explore the different classes of antigens and how they shape the immune response. Number 1. Exogenous antigens. Exogenous antigens are foreign substances that originate outside the body and enter it through inhalation, ingestion or injection. Exogenous antigens include pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, fungi and toxins. Upon entry, antigen-presenting cells, such as macrophages and dendritic cells, engulf and process these antigens. The processed antigens are then displayed on the surface of APCs via MHC class II molecules, which interact with helper T cells to initiate a specific immune response. Number 2. Endogenous antigens. Endogenous antigens are produced within the host cells, either through normal cellular processes, infection by intracellular pathogens, such as viruses or certain bacteria, or mutations in self-proteins, as seen in cancer. Endogenous antigens are processed in the cytoplasm and displayed on the cell surface via MHC class I molecules. CD8+ cytotoxic T cells recognize these antigens and target the infected or abnormal cells for destruction. Number 3. Autoantigens. Autoantigens are self-proteins or molecules that the immune system mistakenly identifies as foreign, leading to an immune response against the body's own tissues. This misrecognition can result in autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes, and systemic lupus erythematosus. Under normal conditions, the immune system remains tolerant to self-antigens, but a failure in this tolerance causes their targeting and subsequent tissue damage. Number 4. Tumor antigens. Tumor antigens are molecules expressed on the surface of tumor cells or secreted into the bloodstream, capable of triggering an immune response. Tumor antigen are categorized into two types: tumor-specific antigens, TSA, present only on tumor cells, and tumor-associated antigens, TA, present on both normal and tumor cells but in abnormal amounts or contexts. Examples of tumor antigen include mutated p53, TSA, and alpha-fetoprotein, TA. These antigens are crucial targets for cancer immunotherapy and diagnostic approaches. Number 5. Superantigens. Superantigens are a unique class of antigens that can non-specifically activate a large number of T cells by binding directly to the MHC class II molecules on antigen-presenting cells and the T cell receptors on T cells, bypassing the normal antigen-specific recognition process. This results in massive T cell activation and the release of large amounts of cytokines, leading to severe inflammatory responses. Superantigens are often produced by certain bacteria, such as Staphylococcus aureus, e.g., toxic shock syndrome toxin 1, and can cause conditions like toxic shock syndrome and food poisoning. Number 6. Haptens. Haptens are small molecules that are not immunogenic by themselves but become antigenic when they bind to a larger carrier molecule, typically a protein. Once bound, the hapten carrier complex can stimulate an immune response, leading to the production of antibodies against the hapten. Common examples include drugs like penicillin, which can trigger allergic reactions when bound to serum proteins in the body. Number 7. Allergens. Allergens are substances that provoke an allergic reaction in sensitive individuals. They are typically harmless environmental proteins or molecules, such as pollen, dust mites, pet dander, or certain foods. When inhaled, ingested, or come in contact with the skin, allergens can trigger an immune response, leading to symptoms like sneezing, itching, swelling, or more severe reactions like anaphylaxis in susceptible people. Number 8. Pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPs. Pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPs, are conserved molecular structures found on the surface of pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, that are recognized by the immune system. PAMPs include components like lipopolysaccharides, LPS, peptidoglycan, bacterial DNA and viral RNA etc. They are detected by pattern recognition receptors, PRRs, on immune cells, triggering an innate immune response to help defend against infections. Number 9. Xenoantigens. Xenoantigens are antigens that originate from a different species than the host. These foreign molecules can trigger an immune response when introduced into the host, as the immune system recognizes them as non-self. An example of xenoantigens is the proteins found in the tissues of animals used for xenotransplantation, such as those from pigs, which can provoke immune rejection in humans. From exogenous to endogenous, each antigen class plays a crucial role in immunity. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.